my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is the best video I think I've ever made. We're finally going to go. Starts with a C and ends with a G. But yay! Who's excited?
I am! Yeah.
Who's excited? Now let's go into the car and leave. So we are now going to my Uncle Shane. We are going to go pick up some firewood. Yay! Yay, yay, yay! I can't believe we're finally going hiking on camping. I've never actually gone camping since the night. Yay! Woo!
How's your daddy doing?
I smashed my thumb.
I thought you were dancing with Eamon.
Ah.
But this time we're going camping.
Tell your friends on here, what does it feel like in your tummy when you think about going camping and sleeping in the woods at night?
100 roller coasters.
Is that really flippy? So are you nervous and excited at the same time?
The Dr. Seuss train.
Yeah.
Do you
This
know-
is our
it goes-
first
On
camping
the Dr.
trip.
Seuss train, it goes up and then around, upside down, and then up and then an even bigger one.
All right, let's hop in the car and let's go.
Bye.
Bye.
Look at Mommy looking like a hiker. Come on, look more excited, Mommy.
Look, I got my backpack on.
Let me see it. Let me see all corners. Come on. It looks beautiful on you.
Here.
Meaning we came from that way, meaning over there is all the dotted lines, and over there is Burrell Campground.
Oh, so this is good things to know right here. Leave no trace. So always stay on the trail. Pack out all your trash. We never want to leave trash, and in fact, we'll pick up other people's.
Does there normally other people set it up here?
This is where we'll get in the water at, right here.
Ooh, and we can always go on down this trail to the river.
Sideways. Little bitty fish, they're like this big.
What are you doing?
I'm splashing them. Splashing that rock.
I got the rock.
What do you think about that rock?
Yeah.
We got it wet.
Home sweet home.
For only 2 nights and 3 days.
Okay, so when we're looking for a tent place, there's a couple things we look for. One is above us. We need to look up and make sure there's no like rotten trees or big tree limbs that's gonna fall on us.
A tree limb is
And we're good.
A tree limb's just sitting on there.
Yeah, it's okay though. That's not a bad one. We're looking for big tree limbs that shouldn't be there. Next, we're looking at how the land lays. Like for instance, when you get in your tent, you don't want your head to be going downhill. You want your head uphill, even if it's slight. See, like right there is higher than this. And the reason you can tell is because this is where water has pooled and that has not. So that's just slightly higher. We'll put our head there and our feet here. And then we want to make sure there's no big rocks or pine cones like this in our area. Like this one.
And we want to make sure there's no pointy sticks that are like facing up like this.
And then, yep.
I just made up that rule, by the way.
No, that's good, Haven. No pointy sticks. All right, guys. Next, we're going to put what's called a footprint down. And after the footprint, we're going to learn how to put a tent together we just purchased.
There.
Haven's going to help us get it together.
My print isn't.
Put a footprint there.
Footprint. Thanks, Haven. Yeah. So this is going to be the footprint.
No, we could use my feet for a footprint.
We can use your feet and this.
See?
Next, we're going to open this tent up. 6-person dome tent.
Should be easier than it looks.
Haven, I'll come do yours.
I'm stepping on mine.
The door is here. Is that okay?
I think we're doing great. It's a little heavier than I thought it would be.
Cover.
Wait, how are we gonna nail it into the ground?
The tent stakes that I showed you are gonna nail it into the ground.
But what
You
about
always want to make sure
the
that you have the
plastic?
tent closed when you're putting it up, never open.
What do you mean never open?
Because when you're putting a tent up, there's a couple things you don't want in your tent. Critters, mainly mosquitoes, and dirt and grime. It'll get in there while you're putting the tent together.
I'm a wiggly worm! And I won't fall out because I have it squeezed shut. Hi! What did you eat? Can I show you where my campsite now? Yes, let's go. Yay. So we'll start with the basics. Here's where our wagon is. It's all dirty from this. And then here's our wood and our fire. And then here's our chairs. We have everything laid out there right now, but
Daddy is hopefully getting our blow-up mattress blower-upper. Oh, that's always a bummer. Okay.
well, now over here is where we're gonna sleep for the night.
Look at this tent.
Here's our mattress,
We're
which
getting
Daddy
ready.
is trying to blow up.
Yep. We got a hammock.
Wait, let me get inside so I can show you.
There we go.
I'm gonna drop my.
Oh, hi, Daddy.
Hey, we have some camping gear.
Yep, we got chopsticks and uni.
We have chopsticks and uni, and these are our best camping gear that we have.
Yay! How much fun does this look?
Look at what we have here. Oh, it's beautiful though. We're gonna love listening to that while we sleep at night.
Especially the crickets.
So this is a bear box.
Whoa, this is so cool!
There's trail magic in here.
We did not set those in there.
What is that?
That is a bug crawling on toilet paper, whatever that is, and Pringles.
Woo!
Look at that, some salt and vinegar.
Are they still good?
This is my favorite.
Brand new, never been opened. Hey, thanks for leaving these guys. Now we have
Whoever left them.
TP, Lysol wipes, and Pringles.
I don't think we're gonna use those though.
Thanks, guys.
Watch me to beat Daddy at chess. All right, Daddy, I'll let you go first so I can figure out your strategy.
So, we
yeah,
are on our way to the latrine for the first time. We got hand sanitizer. We're about to check out this bathroom in the woods. Haven and I, we have never gone to the bathroom in the woods, have we? Do you guys want to see what it looks like on the inside? Yeah, let's go. All right, let's go.
I think someone's in there. Oh, can I show you around our tent?
Yes? Let's see. I just got our bed all set up.
You do?
You're gonna love it.
So over here is some pads.
These are our pillows.
They don't feel as comfortable as they look. And then this is our bed. This is another pillow.
Oh, and we brought
Uni
Chopsticks?
and chopsticks.
and uni. Which one's which?
Especially uni and chopsticks.
Yep.
And my blankie.
Yay, we got the blanket.
I've had it since I was 7.
So we're gonna all three try to fit in this queen size mattress.
And
We're
let
gonna
me show
see
you around my small
how
contraption.
that works out. Okay, let's see it.
All right, so right in here is my small contraption. And then here's the shutting door. All right, so I can get in here and it's getting a little tight with both of us in here. I'm gonna open this up here. It gets sweaty in there.
Does it? Haven made a friend. Her name's Abigail.
Hi. I'm gonna slide out again, Mommy.
Isn't that such a nice soothing sound from that water down there? It's so soothing.
I love it.
Do you go camping a lot?
Yeah. This is my first time actually going camping and not like hiking, because I've gone hiking with my dad all the time. I was sort of scared of bees.
We are a little scared of bugs around here,
Yep.
but we are getting over that this weekend. We are two princesses that normally don't enjoy outdoor nature, right?
Yep.
It's the bugs that bother us, and we really like comfort, you know, all the comfy things.
A lot of comfort.
Do you like comfort too? This is a weekend for me to really see, like, maybe I am gonna enjoy this. Who knows? But Haven and I have been so against camping for a long time. And now we're like, you know what? Let's embrace it and let's go see what we're capable of doing. And so that's what we're doing.
Camping!
So what is your favorite thing to take with you when you go camping? Is this a cool tackle box?
Yeah, because it has clothes or something. Where is it? Ta-da!
No way. Here, hold that up again. Oh, it's got frozen on it.
hooks in here, which should probably work, you know? Cold. Woo! So we are gonna rip this thing off. We are gonna set it right there, and we are going to use it for these.
We're making a fire.
And then we just pull it apart like this.
Yeah, so it has Vaseline on it.
I pull them apart like this.
Yeah. It'll like really
And then-
easy. Put them in there. How's that?
It looks like little
And
sandwiches.
we want to touch. We want them touching each other. And so this is going to stay lit for about 30 seconds to a minute, and these are going to stay lit about 7 to 15 minutes.
Mommy! Woo. Daddy.
Daddy long legs.
It was
I have
We're gonna
some
have a
small
little
ones
bit. We're gonna
too.
have a little bit of an area where we're gonna put the lighter in, like right here.
You can see how it looks.
I
like
love
it.
watching the moss just like burn away.
We're roasting marshmallows.
It's nighttime. It's so dark. We finally got the fire burning.
Finally got the fire and it's roaring now.
It is blue. That's the most
That means
hottest
it's
fire.
a hot fire.
Hi.
When you need a smoke detector, call Haven.
You ready for bed? We got in bed and everything was just a little bit damp.
Yeah.
So we decided to put the rain flap on, and that's going to keep us from getting wet and cold.
And look, we have company by moths.
Will you guys do a full
Fireflies.
tour of the
Alright,
cabin?
so do you want to get the tour over here, Daddy, first?
So we'll start with the master bedroom side,
This is the master bed.
and then there's the closet right there. On the side, there's the closet. Will you point to the closet, Haven?
Right here?
Yeah.
And a little bit of there.
And a little bit right there. There's
Sheets are very damp.
there's the guest bedroom. That's where I'm gonna sleep.
And then there is what Daddy, how do you want to say it? What's over here?
In case you need to get out in the middle of the night, here is the restroom items, the ponchos, And in case you get bored, there's the toys to play with. Yes.
You gotta have the toys.
I guess Daddy put them over there, so.
You gotta have toys.
And then our shoes, a towel, a sleep,
Yep. There's our shoes,
a maker, and
headlamp.
our shoe rack.
And we have a shoe rack too.
Good night, guys. Good night.
Good night.
Got our firewood.
I love nature. Well, we got our firewood. We're heading to Burrell's Ford. Ford, whatever it is.
Burrell's Ford Campground.
Burrell's Ford Campground. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going camping for Father's Day. Woohoo! You might say tonight.